I've come to the realization that there are two very different kinds of RV trips. One is the getting there trip, and the other one is the being there trip. My first adventure across the United States was all about the getting there. I had to get my RV from Southern California all the way to South Carolina to where my brother lives to help get the RV part of it repaired. Hardly anything was working in the RV part. So that was a getting there trip. If you're interested in seeing what it was like to try to cross the United States in a broken RV, please take a look at RV Rookie in my 60s, and you can see two things: how broken my RV was and how it was to cross the United States and get back. And you can also see the evolution of my YouTube videos going from extremely bad to just bad. Now I'm about ready to start my journey into the being there. My first time ever going into a long-term visitors area in the desert Southwest, and you can see how I prepared, what my thoughts were, and as the time from September to April goes along, you'll see how I screw up and how I don't screw up, and what my adventures are like going to be for the next 7 months. I'll try to make it fun for you, and I'll also try to get better and better at my YouTube. So let's go look at this together. So just join me at RV Rookie in my 60s, and you can see what I'm learning as I'm out here in the LTVA. Thank you so much for watching this short video.